The Keystone Premier is part of the Keystone RV proud legacy of travel trailers. Keystone has been making quality towables for 25 years. Thousands of RVers have come to know and trust Keystone, and the Premier is a successful brand combining glamp with camp. Before we dig into some Premier floor plans, let's check out the features making Premier such a sought-after travel trailer. The interior of a Keystone Premier just screams comfort. First off, just in temperature, it keeps you cozy. Every Premier gives you a 15,000 BTU ducted AC with available second 13.5K BTU AC for the bedroom and a 30,000 BTU furnace to keep your toes warm on those cool, crisp mornings. And let's not ignore the electric fireplace found inside most Premier models. Second, just look at this furniture. Premier comes with either a U-shaped dinette or a trifold sofa, and most have the option to replace those with theater seats that have cup holders and storage. More storage can be found in the Store More system, which includes deep drawers you'll discover in models with a booth dinette. The dinette has me thinking kitchen, and the Premier kitchen is totally modern. It includes midnight Monterey stained hardwood cabinet doors with hidden hinges and full extension drawer guides, an 8 cubic foot fridge with a 10 cubic foot fridge option, microwave, pop-up power station, stainless steel sink with stainless steel roll-up cover and high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer, 3-burner gas range and oven with flush mount glass cover and a low-profile hood. Next, we take a look at the bathroom. Here you'll find solid surface countertops with ultra durable continuous edge, stainless steel sink with residential size faucet, and a porcelain toilet. As we move into the bedroom, you may notice there's no carpet. Every Premier has bow floor flooring with woven flooring in the slide outs. The bedroom is well appointed with a full-size queen bed complete with LED reading lights, bedside USB and standard 110-volt outlets, and a TV hookup. In the living area, you'll get an LED TV with entertainment system including an AM/FM stereo with auxiliary and USB ports, plus it's Bluetooth capable and has outside speakers. Easy reception comes via the Keystone exclusive Key TV multi-source signal controller. On the outside, the Premier continues to give you great features. For keeping your Premier from rocking, you get an electric tongue jack plus electric stabilizer jacks. Relax outdoors under the electric awning with adjustable arms and LED light strip. Convenience is found on the Premier's exterior with massive pass-through storage, having 52 cubic feet of storage with 42-inch wide baggage doors, which have slam latch and magnetic catches. And there's a pegboard in the pass-through too. You also get easy access to many of the necessary camp ports via the docking station. There's winterization, black tank flush, outside shower with hot and cold water, and water heater bypass. What else on the Premier exterior? An easily accessible spare tire and solar. Extend your battery's life using the Solar Flex 200. Want more solar capability? The Solar Flex 400 with inverter is an option and allows use of the inverted outlet prep. One more thing, you'll get the LCI solid step with an extra wide first step that prevents stepping between stairs, which is not fun, trust me. You'll get excited for the Keystone Premier, and that's completely understandable, but you'll want to know how well they're constructed. Up top, you'll get a fully walkable roof with a one-piece TPO membrane. Down below, a Norco HSLA steel automotive deposition coated frame assembled with huck bolts, plus a one-piece ABS enclosed underbelly with a 2-inch heating duct. In the middle is aluminum framed floor and walls with laminated sides, plus tough lock thermoplastic duct joiners, and it utilizes true fit slide construction. Before we dive into the floor plans, you'll want to know Keystone Premiers run anywhere from 24 to 38 feet or so, and an unloaded weight they come in from around 5,000 up to nearly 8,000 pounds. Premier floor plans are mainly designed for the camping couple. However, they do have a bunkhouse I want to highlight, so let's check that one out first. The 29BH can sleep up to 9. It has a versatile double-over-double bunk that can flip up for additional storage. There's a large living area slide out, big pantry, and up front a centered queen bed within the private bedroom that has its own private entry. You'll also get an outside kitchen. For the camping couple, let's start with the 19FB. This lightweight Premier has a large U-shaped dinette, a centered queen bed, and a surprisingly large wardrobe closet in the rear bath. The 19FB can sleep 4. The 23RB is a rear bath model with the ability to sleep 4. The bedroom is made private via a solid sliding door. A large living area slide out provides ample room to roam. The rear bath has a walk-in shower and plenty of linen storage. You'll also get a nice outdoor kitchen. The 26RB has opposing slide-outs, which makes room for a large kitchen island. You get a pair of pantries and a tri-fold sofa plus the outdoor kitchen. The 26RB is perfectly capable of accommodating 5 people overnight. The 30RI can sleep 5. It has a massive rear living layout with opposing slide-outs, an impressive kitchen island, and theater seats sitting across from the entertainment center. Up front, you'll find a walk-through bathroom. And outside, well, you'll get an outside entertainment center with a fridge. If you like to be in the campground yet want some home-friendly features, check out the Keystone Premier. They have some great floor plan options with one for you that is sure to make you a happy camper. To see what Premiers are available in your part of the country, check them out at rv.campingworld.com.